traveled a lot to smart cities, as we would call them, two-tier cities, where we have tried to give young boys and girls an opportunity to come to Mumbai and work with legends in the industry. When I mean legends, I mean truly legends. Let me tell you something briefly about what inspired me to do this activity, and I was fortunate enough to have a client like Max who backed me all the way. About 7-8 months ago, I was watching on a Sunday afternoon, I was watching a show on television, and I saw a documentary of an actor way back in 1984, 85, 86. It was about his struggle, his journey, his evolution, from coming from a small town, from Shimla, having gone to a school, a local school in DAV College, having slept at railway stations, having then getting a break in 1984 with a fabulous film, and then gone on, not me to act in a huge amount of films. I don't want to take the names because the list is endless. Having won so many Filmfare Awards, having been recognized internationally for all his work that he's been doing, being a producer, a director, father, a husband, a legend, having been nominated for the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Shri. So words aren't enough to describe this man, and that man today I'm happy to be associated with. And I told Mr. Kher, if anybody could do this, and I told Mr. Vasant, who is the CEO of Max, if anybody has to partner with us on this, it has to be not a rock star, but I call it the Rock of Gibraltar in the Indian cinema industry. I would rather have a Rock of Gibraltar any day as compared to a rock star in my team if I were to do that. There was another young boy, and he'll be joining us. I met him way back in 1999. He was struggling as a young boy. I saw him, and he came and asked me, can I do a show with you? I want to be a model. He turned out to be one of India's better dancers today. And that boy today is Terence Lewis. A long story, an eventful journey. Terence will be joining us soon as well. So we've been to 5 cities, and I won't take much of your time. We'd rather have a look at a small AV that we've shot, which has covered the 5 two-tier cities where we've done Max Fashion Icon. Keshav, can we have the AV, please?
And it was really difficult for me.
Got to meet a Max Fashion Icon in Indore 2016, and my mother.
Max.
Thanks, Mark. It is indeed a splendid journey. Max started in the year 2006 in Indore, where we opened in the first mall. Since then, over the past 10 years, we have grown from strength to strength. Today, we are 150 stores strong across 60 cities, and Max Fashion is the largest value fashion brand in India. We are growing at the rate of 40% per annum for the past 10 years. In terms of brand building, Max has set itself its own path. What we do is, Max is in the pursuit of democratizing fashion for the masses. So how we go about is building properties which enable careers. For us, youth is a big segment, and particularly in Tier 2, these youth want opportunity to make their mark in Bollywood or in television and all that. We found that there is not much of opportunity for them because they could not come to metros, which is when the thought of Max Fashion Icon came. We said we'll launch this property in Tier 2 cities specifically, hunt for talent who has both beauty and skills, and if we are able to select the best, and if we are able to bring together a set of gurus, the respective fields like Mr. Anupam Kher or Terence Lewis, it gives an opportunity as a platform for them to take it further. So that was the thought, and Mark ably did that. He has done a very good job of selecting talent across the 6 cities, and we will soon be presenting them. Apart from that, we also do other properties. We have Max Design Awards, wherein we contact the top 50 institutes, fashion institutes, allow the students to showcase their talent through wardrobe, and the best wardrobe we select, and then we help them to showcase it in magazines. The winners also get sponsored to Italy for their scholarship education, the Marangoni Institute, and also gives opportunity for them to become designers themselves. Apart from that, we also do other properties like Little Icon, wherein we make kids do the fashion show, and we also participate in the Kids Fashion Week after their final grand finale. And once they make it, they can walk the international brands. So what we've done is we have segmented individual properties for individual customer profile and ensured that careers are given. This is where the industry saw us being different and genuinely helping careers. I thank Mark, I thank Anupam Kher and thank Karan Tulsi for taking their time today and helping us to groom talent and taking them to the next level. Thank you very much for all of you coming, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
Smart cities or two-tier cities that we've traveled to. Alphabetically, ladies and gentlemen, could you please welcome
Well, we go ahead. First of all, I'm just amazed to know that this kind of talent exists in small tire cities. And first of all, congratulations for winning your title in each of your cities. Boys, you were commendable. Your confidence is really alarming. Girls, you are very, very charming, very beautiful. And it was quite a task to walk in this space. We shall take Mark to task for this, but we're not judging you on that. So we're judging on your confidence, and you had the flair. I would just say that I'm just very, very pleased. I didn't know what I was getting into. You know, when Mark calls me and says, listen, I'm doing this event, I just said, you know, yes, I'll do it, Mark. Because I love him for what he has made me and for the opportunity he's given me. But I'm pleasantly surprised I said yes. मैं honestly बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे नहीं पता था, मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि ये कितने गहराई में जाकर किस तरह से मेहनत करके they have really chartified and filtered and got the best people here, because the way that boys spoke so confidently, some of the biggest pageants I've been to and judged, I have not found this kind of talent which speaks so well. Yes or no? So I really feel the boys and girls have been said by Mark and their team in their respective categories have done a great job. And I think in today's field it's very important to be an all-rounder. And he's very right. Mark is very sensible in choosing something which is where he has combined Anupam Sir's Acting Institute, which is the premier institute for acting, to launch your career into the film world. And you know, today's actors are also 50% have to be good dancers, because the industry demands that they are physically very active. And even the acting, even the fighting scenes are like dancing scenes. It's very well choreographed. So a major part of the film industry or the television industry rides on the fact that you're really flexible, agile, and can dance well. So the vision that you have, Mark, I mean, really, I'm genuinely was going to come back and tell you this, I'm saying this on the mic, it's really commendable that you have combined, you know, a great person like Anupam Kher and his institute, where I know many years before I also used to teach at his institute, and it was really amazing with what passion he does it. And it's amazing how what life has given to him, he's giving it back, so it's going full circle, and that's exactly my philosophy. So I'm very happy to give any one of you, which I don't know which one to give one of this scholarship to, but I'm going to be a little bit generous today, and I'm going to say that I find a lot of passion in all of you. So I know my manager and my team is going to really scream at me at this, but I would like to offer each of you to come and join the course.
Wow.
It's a 3-month intensive.
All of them get a training with Darren. Well done, Darren. Thank you.
I've got 2 certificates, but I think you all are very passionate, very deserving, and if you have the passion, the grit to make it in this industry, let me tell you, you need body language and to be absolutely confident, and dance will definitely help you. So the 3-month diploma course is going to really push you up in a certain way. So all of you are welcome. Take it seriously. Just because it's free, do not abuse it. Really use it as your stepping board. Same for Anupam Sir. I don't know how he's going to respond to that, but I'm feeling very generous today. And you're very welcome, all of you. So thank you. You've really deserved it, because I really see that you have the drive. The way you spoke with what passion and conviction, it makes me feel also passionate. It takes me back to the years that I was like this, and I somehow identify with that energy. And again, sir, thank you for creating this platform. I was unaware. I'll be very genuine, very honest person. I'll tell you, I was unaware of what I was getting into, but I'm very happy, and I will continue to have this association with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. And mere doston, salam.
Darren, please stay on stage. We'd like to give every
built your brand, and nobody else can do this kind of a job better than you. So that's why my association and my
Thank you,
school's
sir.
association with you. I personally feel that India lives in smaller cities. The talent that is coming in the last 5, 10, 7 years is from smaller cities, from our captain of our team, Ranchi, captain of cricket, captain, then the final gymnast, Olympian, who's been smallest town. So now I think the people from big cities are going to have a very tough competition from smaller time cities, because I think what best thing that smaller cities do, they give you enough time to dream. When I was living in a small town, Shimla, the only thing I had was dreams. I was very bad at studies. I never got more than 38% marks. I was very bad at sports. I was telling them today that once I was in 8th or 9th standard, my PT teacher saw me running, and he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. So I don't know how does that happen. But next time, do me a favor. I think that will make them understand, the members of the press. Show the first pictures of today's superstars. Show the first pictures of Shah Rukh, of Amir, of anybody, all these people, and then we'll say what is their graph. So because they are looking now after 20 years and they're presenting themselves now immediately on stage, and I think it's very difficult to walk on that. I without heels were also going like that. So I'm very happy that you people have reached here, and it's a very tedious task. Mark, concentrate on it. Don't worry about the next. I need a listener. So you are a very, very bad habit. What is this nonsense about giving 5, all of them, and then saying maybe Mr. Kher will also do the same thing? Mr. Kher will, I think, give all the 5 a 1-month course, not a 3-month
Wow,
course.
congratulations,
So
wow.
that's the zeal that I saw, and I think people like you from Max, I think, are doing a great service. Youth is not only about aspirations in one field. I think people look down upon certain people who want to act in movies or who want to dance. I think that finishing line, that dividing line has got over. And this is the future of India. And they are not only representatives of cinema or modeling, they are also representative of our country. I always believe in that. And I think whosoever wins today, all of these people are winners, and whosoever wins has a sense of responsibility. With success comes sense of responsibility, and I think they do a great job for this country, because that's what is very important. And we have survived in this industry for, I will complete 32 years on the 25th of May.
Wow.
And 498 movies. It's because I never let failure let me down, or I never made failure bigger than my life. Failures have happened in all this, so failure is the most exciting thing that can happen. Success is very boring and one-dimensional. Failure teaches you amazing things. So you have learned a lot. I think already you are looking nice. Means I had to also stand like this, and I don't know how you people do that, but you've never taken me for that kind of a thing. No?
I cannot teach a teacher.
You can teach him how to walk on a ramp. So congratulations to all of you, and one of you will get a diploma course in our school actor preparers, and rest 4 of you will do a
मार्क रॉबिन्सन का जो करियर का ग्राफ है, मैं उससे बहुत प्रभावित हूँ। उन्होंने फैशन के फील्ड में इतना काम किया है, तो उन्होंने जब ये मैक्स फैशन आइकॉन का मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट सुनाया, मुझे लगा कि हिंदुस्तान के छोटे छोटे शहरों में, 2 टायर शहरों में बहुत सारा टैलेंट है। मैं खुद छोटे शहर का शिमला का रहने वाला हूँ और वहाँ सपने देखता था कुछ बनने के। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी कि इन लोगों को ऐसा मौका मिल रहा है कि ये बॉम्बे में आके फाइनल करें, और इनमें से 2 विनर्स को मेरे स्कूल में 3 महीने का कोर्स करा के फ्री डिप्लोमा दें हम, तो कि ताकि हिंदुस्तान जो है, मुझे लगता है कि छोटे शहरों में ज़्यादा बसने लगा है। जो एस्पिरेशनल क्वालिटीज़ छोटे शहरों के लड़के लड़कियों की है वो फिनोमिनल है। वो हमारे स्पोर्ट्स में भी नज़र आती है, हमारे कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में भी नज़र आती है और बाकी चीज़ों में नज़र आती है। और इस प्रोसेस को मुझे सपोर्ट करने में बिल्कुल भी कोई शंका नहीं हुई, बिल्कुल भी मैंने इस बारे में सोचा नहीं। आई थिंक आज 10 के 10 कंटेस्टेंट हिंदुस्तान के भावी कलाकार हो सकते हैं, डांसर हो सकते हैं, एक्टर्स हो सकते हैं, मॉडल्स हो सकते हैं। और इंडस्ट्री ने मुझे पिछले 32 सालों में इतना कुछ दिया है, इतना प्यार, इतनी मोहब्बत, इतना काम दिया है कि मैंने अपना एक्टिंग स्कूल खोलकर, एक्टर प्रिपेयर्स, पिछले 12 साल से मैं इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे नए एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं और ये उसका एक प्रयास है। जब भी मैं कभी एक्टिंग करता हूँ और मुझे किसी रोल में कोई स्टूडेंट नज़र आता है और वह कहता सर मैं आपका 2007 बैच का स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मुझे उससे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है। एंड एज अ टीचर आई फील वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड ब्लेस्ड दैट गॉड हैज़ गिवन मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस।
ओके अनुपम सर, आपकी कितनी यादें ताज़ा होती हैं जब हम बात करते हैं नए टैलेंट की, चाहे वो फैशन से जुड़े हों, चाहे वो डांस से जुड़े हों, आते हैं अपनी सादगी से, मासूमियत से जो कहना है वो कह के चले जाते हैं। आपकी कितनी यादें ताज़ा होती हैं?
मेरी सारी यादें ताज़ा होती हैं। अरे मुझे तो संघर्ष के दिन रोज़ याद आते हैं, आजकल भी याद आते हैं। आई थिंक संघर्ष के दिन याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है अपनी मौजूदा सिचुएशन के लिए। व्हेनेवर यू रिमेंबर, मैं 3 जून 1981 को मुंबई वीटी स्टेशन पे उतरा था। मेरी जेब में 37 रुपये थे और 37 रुपये के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आज 32 साल बाद, मतलब टोटल मिलाकर 35 साल बाद, आई थिंक मुझे हमेशा वो दिन याद रहते हैं जब मैं यहाँ आया था। मेरे पास सिर्फ एक डिग्री थी नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा की और एक कॉन्फिडेंस था। ये तो बहुत ही डिग्निफाइड, सेक्सी, बॉल्ड लुक है, मगर जब आप शुरू में बॉल्ड होते हैं और यहाँ पर 1982 में लोगों से काम मांगना और कहना कि जी मैं एक्टर हूँ और मेरे बाल नहीं हैं, तो वहाँ पर बालों को तब ज़्यादा रोल मिलते थे। तो आई थिंक बहुत सारी यादें होती हैं। हम फिल्में देखते थे शिमला में, और ये तो अभी 5 स्टार कल्चर है कि मंच पे मार्क रॉबिन्सन, अनुपम खेर, टेरेंस लुइस है। उस समय तो दरवाज़ा खटखटाते रहते थे। मुझे याद है रामानंद सागर जी का 4th असिस्टेंट था जिसने मुझे नटराज स्टूडियो से बाहर से वापस भेज दिया था। उसने कहा तुम राइटर बन जाओ। तो जैसा कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो आई थिंक कुछ भी हो सकता है। मोमेंट्स को हमेशा अपने जिंदा रखना चाहिए।
जॉब गारंटी मिलती है?
नहीं जी, हमारा काम है ट्रेनिंग देना, है ना। ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में कहीं भी कोई भी आपको मेडिकल कॉलेज में ट्रेनिंग देता है, पैसे देते हैं, आप ये नहीं बोलते कि अब आपको हम डॉक्टर बना देंगे। मुझे किसी ने 100 प्लेस करने के बाद भी, 4 साल का एक्टिंग का डिप्लोमा करने के बाद, 1 साल टीचर करके भी, 3 साल मैंने यहाँ धक्के खाए थे, मुझे किसी ने गारंटी नहीं दी थी। यू गेट वर्क बिकॉज ऑफ योर एटीट्यूड, नॉट नेसेसरली टू स्टार्ट विद योर टैलेंट। वी गिव देम अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ की वो यहाँ की दौड़ में आगे बढ़ सकें। वी गिव देम एनफ एजुकेशन दैट। और आजकल तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग माहौल से गुजर रहे हैं, सिनेमा एंड मॉडलिंग एंड ये सब आजकल इज, इफ़ यू आर टैलेंटेड यू विल मेक इट। आई 100% बिलीव इन इट। देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड लक एंड एवरीथिंग।
सर, एक बहुत रिमार्केबल बात कही आपने कि शाहरुख आमिर की तस्वीर अगर पुरानी देखी जाए और आज से तुलना की जाए तो बार बहुत बढ़ चुका है।
हाँ, नहीं, हर एक्टर की शुरू की तस्वीर अपनी देखकर जो है, जो भी एक्टर एक्ट्रेस है, अपनी शुरू की करियर की तस्वीर देख के हमेशा कांप जाता है कि क्या मैं किसी ज़माने में ऐसा लगता था या ऐसा लगती थी। I think the grooming takes years. Nowadays, the grooming does not take years. Grooming takes institutions like our school, like Mark Robinson's, like Terence Lewis. तो grooming उसमें हो जाती है। तो मैंने इसलिए सजेशन दिया था कि जब इस तरह के प्रतियोगिताएं दिखाएं तो प्रेस का भी या ऑडियंस का ये होता है, अरे ये तो फिसल गई यहाँ पर, या ये कहाँ पर ये बोलते हुए। मगर अगर हम सारे एक्टर्स के शुरू के, शाहरुख, आमिर, अक्षय या एक्ट्रेसेस की शुरू की तस्वीरें देखें, माधुरी की, श्रीदेवी की, तो हमें लगता है कि ये एक ज़माने में न्यू कमर रह चुके हैं। या मेरी तस्वीर बस सेम रहती है। मेरी तस्वीर नहीं बदली है पिछले 32 सालों में। बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आज के दौर में, इफ़ यू आर टैलेंटेड यू विल गेट वर्क at any cost.
बाहर से जो अनुपम सर वो हैप्पी प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट, अगर मंधारी काका से लेके सारंश की मैं बात करूं या प्रकाश राठौड़ की बात करूं, जो भी किरदार आप जीते हैं वो अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराता है और इतना ऑडियंस क्या फिल्म को प्रभावित करता है. यू आल्सो डूइंग अ फिल्म कानून where you playing Vishwajit Sarkar.
I am today my film is released, Buddha in a Traffic Jam. I think that's very important. It's a very important film of our times. हमने ये फिल्म 3 साल पहले बनाई थी और 3 साल बाद जो देश में हो रहा है उस पर एक बड़ी कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी फिल्म है. इसके बाद मेरी फिल्म धोनी आ रही है, जो नीरज पांडे ने बायोपिक बनाई है MS धोनी के ऊपर. फिर उसके बाद मैंने एक अमेरिकन फिल्म की है जेरार्ड बटलर के साथ और विलियम डेफो के साथ. That film is there, Headhunters Calling, and we started a production recently called Gunde and Gudiya. So I think there are a lot of things, but apart from that, I'm in the process of writing a book. I'm running my acting school. I travel a lot with my motivational lectures.
So if you can talk about Kamu,
I don't want to.
Can you say something about your book you're writing?
I am in the process of writing 2 books. One I think which was what was titled is Lessons Life Taught Me Unknowingly, and one is a book about today's India.
After a special substituting, you're doing Dhoni with Neeraj Pandey. You know how the experience. You can tell us
Neeraj Pandey is a genius. Neeraj Pandey is the most amazing director that I have worked with. I think Dhoni is such a inspirational film. I like films which have inspiration in it. I'm very excited to be to in fact watch that film. I played Dhoni's father's role. I had met him, and it was very interesting to be part of that film.
अनुप सर, जब भी कोई छोटे शहर से आता है कोई भी कलाकार, उसका ख्वाहिश सिर्फ स्टार बनने का होता है, लेकिन आज के दौर में जो देख लें नवाजुद्दीन की सफलता को देख लें तो कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट का जो वैल्यू है वो किसी स्टार से कम नहीं. क्या
सर, जो एक्टर बनने आते हैं वो 30-40 साल तक चलते हैं. जो स्टार बनने आते हैं वो भी चल सकते हैं बहुत सालों तक. बट नेसेसरीली आई थिंक टुडे हम इस दौरान सिनेमा इस दौर से गुजर रहा है कि आप अगर किसी तरह भी दिखते हैं, अगर आपको एक्टिंग आती है तो आपकी जो जीवन जो आपका जो
Fashion Icon is a property which we launched 4 years back. This is a property dedicated to Tier 2. Max is the largest value fashion brand in India, and we are available in 60 cities. When we went around and looked at the customers and the youth, we found that in Tier 2 there is a lack of opportunity. There are a lot of talent, but they don't have access to places like Mumbai or Delhi to showcase their talent. We felt that through this Max Fashion Icon we can give platform. We are there in these cities, so we requested Mark to do an event of this nature, wherein we get the gurus, Mr. Anupam Kher of Actor Prepares and Terence Lewis of Terence Lewis Studio, Dance Studio, to help grooming talent. They were very happy to help us out. So we went to 5 cities, got the best talent, boy and the girl, and we brought them today. And then both Anupam Kher and Terence Lewis was there to witness the talent. They were very happy, so much happy. They're ready to train all the 10 of them, their respective studios. This is a grand moment for all these talent, because in Bhubaneswar or Pune or Vizag or Indore, this was not available, because you get the best studio for acting, which is Actor Prepares, which is done by Mr. Anupam Kher. You get the best dance studio training, which is through Terence Lewis in Mumbai. So they are going to go through this, and I'm sure this is going to help these 10 talent to become future TV stars or Bollywood stars, or getting into further careers in exhibiting their talent. And Max is proud to be part of this.
So in the future, how are you going to take a brand larger than life?
At Max, we have different events. As I had explained earlier, we also participate. We have tied up with the Elite Model Look, where we also sponsor the best talent for ramp show internationally. We also have a property called Max Design Awards, wherein we go to the top 40 institutes and then get the best designer talent, and we make them do the wardrobe, which we sponsor, and we also give them platform through fashion magazines to showcase their design talent. We also have Little Icon, a property where it's a kids fashion show. We take the best kid and then they participate in the kids fashion week in Mumbai and Delhi. What we do is, Max helps people realize their dreams. They may have dreams of becoming a local TV star or a Bollywood star or a fashion choreographer, fashion designer. Or we at Max believe that it is our duty to help these talent to grow. Max is the fashion brand across the 60 cities where it's very popular, and these customers who come to us, it's an opportunity to reward them back by helping in their careers.
Lastly, I want to ask, this time you have associated Anupam Kher and Terence for the event
Yes.
as such.
Yeah.
Next time when you do the event, which is larger than life,
Yeah.
any big celebrities, Salman, Shah Rukh, Akshay, or any individual?
Max actually is an authentic fashion brand. We go for celebrities who actually are able to dedicate themselves for their cause. For instance, Mr. Anupam Kher is the best in terms of acting, training for acting. Similarly, Terence Lewis is the best dance studio. So we are more focusing on developing talent, and we believe that this kind of talent is the best fit. In fact, we love to work with them even next year, because after all, our objective is to make the talent into the next level of becoming celebrities on their own, and Max is a platform to make people celebrities. So that way we are happy with the right association, and we look forward to extending the similar association even in future in Max Fashion Icon. Thank you. I congratulate on behalf of Max Fashion Icon the winners of this Max Fashion Icon 2016.
So kindly introduce them from your side.
Yes, and the winners are from Max, from Indore. You got the winner for Max Fashion Icon 2016, and from Pune you got the winner for Max Fashion Icon 2016. They are worthy of this contest. They are the best talent amongst all, and of course the entire talent, all the 10 were very good. And as Mr. Anupam Kher and Terence Lewis said, they found it very hard to finally see who the winner is, and there you are, the best talent, and I'm wishing both the people all the very best in becoming future stars.
Firstly, be thankful for the person who gave you the platform to be a star. Kindly introduce yourself on the camera.
Hi, I'm Lavina Keswani from Pune, Max Fashion Icon India 2016.
Hello guys, I am Chirag Saluja from Indore, Max Fashion Icon India 2016.
What really made you to be part of this fashion icon? What was the inspiration as such?
Inspiration as such, it's a huge platform. When you say Anupam Kher sir and Terence Lewis, it's like you have to participate. You can't miss such an opportunity.
Were you very confident about winning this fashion icon award? Were you very confident from the first?
I was confident, but it was a tough competition. I'm sure judges might have been in a dilemma to choose the winner, but here the winners are.
We went to Anupam Kher's the coaching institute, the academy. He told us one thing: being nervous is a good thing. I was in the very first time when I gone to the Max store to give my auditions. I was nervous, but yes, I had a bit of confidence too. So that brought me up here, and I'm the winner. So this is a great feeling.
So what is the future step you will be taking? I mean, into the acting world or something like that, theatre, modeling, or what you will do in the future as well?
I always had this feeling like, yes, I want to be an actor, but I'll continue modeling as well. I'll go both the sides.
When I was in 7th, I always had a dream to get famous. I always told people that one day I'll get famous, I'll achieve my dreams. And I focus the most on my dreams. So here are my dreams coming true.